1983 Honda Big Red 200E. This is a model that has electric start and high-low range, but does not have reverse and does not have shaft drive. All the drive stuff has been recently replaced, and that's in there. Trunk is missing. The cover panel, seat looks great. Tank is dented on the outside. On the inside, looks really great and holds. You can see it's really clean in there. Got all the parts and everything are still there. And they did start up decently. It had been sitting in a barn for a long time. We had used starting fluid, but now it's good to go.